Fellow viewers, tell your neighbor that neighbor Saupe has come back. Okay, we're on question 11. We continue. This is about the eighth geometry, and they're talking about the diagram shows the position of terms A, B, and C. Fellow viewers, you can see we have got term A, B, C, and of course they are now saying on the X surface, what is the time at C? When the time at A is 11:22. So the time at this A, it is 11 hours 22 minutes. That is what they are trying to tell us. So now they are asking us, what is the time at C? The time at C. Of course, we are aware that one of the purposes or the use of the longitudes, the use of these longitudes is calculating time. So we have to find the difference in the longitudes between A and C. How do you find the difference in longitude? We are saying theta is equal to, you can see I've got 45 in the east, so I can't put the direction, just put the degrees plus 75 in the west. So you add because they are in the opposite direction, A and C. Therefore, this one is found in the east, the other one is found in the west. So you tend to add them. That's why we added it. When you add them nicely, this will be 10, that will be 120. So these are the theta. So you should understand that I should calculate how many, 15, because I know for sure that 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. Every 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. So now what about 120 degrees? How many hours? So you do like that. When you cross multiply our 15x equals to 1 times 120 divided by 15. Divide by 15. Why? We just want to find out how many 15s are there. So if you do the correct thing, you'll find that 15 there, you'll say, okay, 5 there, it is 3. So 5 into 12, it is 2, meaning 2. 5 there, it is 4 into 24, that is 24. Meaning that that goes there. When you divide nicely, you are going to agree with me that this will be 8 hours. So now these 8 hours you have come up with, you have to ask yourself, because if you look at A, it is in the west. Now we are looking at the time in the east. Since we are looking at the time in the east, we have to add. As you go to the east, we add. As you go to the west, you subtract. So in this case, I'm going to the east. They are looking at what? At C. So my time at A was 11:22 hours. So what will be the time at C? You add this 8 hours. These are minutes. So this is 22, and of course my time will be 19:22 hours. So my time at C will be 19:22 hours. So fellow viewers, once more we are saying, when it comes to time calculation, these longitudes, they assist us. They always help us to calculate time. I know that every 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. I can break down this. Again, I know for sure that every 15 degrees is equal to 60 minutes. I've broken down into that one. Again, I know that every 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Fellow viewers, this information is very, very important to understand. Very, very important to have it. So that when it comes to time calculation on eighth geometry, it doesn't give us problems. I hope I've made myself clear. So, while the time was 11:22, the time at C was 19:22. So, this was our A. We go to B. We are told that the plane flies from A to B. This plane was flying from A to B. And of course, in what time? In 9 hours. Calculate its speed if the distance between A and B is in nautical miles. Of course, it is that one. So how do we answer this question? To answer this question, we are saying speed is equal to distance over time. That speed is equal to distance over time. So in this case, because what is the speed for the aeroplane? For the aeroplane or for the plane, it is in knots. So meaning is equal to, we are given the distance. In this case, our distance is 7,200 nautical miles. Immediately they have talked about nautical miles. By time this plane it flew for 9 hours from A to B. So from A to B, this plane flew for 9 hours. So we have to divide that, because this is how we calculate speed. So speed is equal to 9 into 72. You agree with me, it is 8, which is 800 knots. Please don't forget to put the units. It is 800 what? Knots. So this is how it goes. So you can see that these marks, they are very sweet, especially if you know what you are doing. In paper 1, you can enjoy such mathematics, unless there are some questions. So please remember to subscribe, and please share the link. So Mr. Saube, then you'll find me there. Please, we go to the next question.